You want a diet hack that works instantly, no starving, no gym? Stop drinking your calories. Here's why cutting liquid calories is one of the easiest fat loss strategies ever. 1. Liquid calories don't make you full. Your brain barely registers calories from soda or juice, so you end up eating the same amount of food, plus the extra drink calories. 2. Sugary drinks spike hunger. Fructose doesn't trigger fullness hormones, making you crave more food later in the day. 3. Alcohol slows fat burning. Your body burns alcohol first, forcing fat burning to a complete stop for hours. 4. Drinks add calories fast. 1 milk tea equals 400 calories. 1 soda equals 150. 1 healthy fruit juice equals 250. Daily habit? That's thousands per week. 5. Cutting them is instant calorie reduction. Remove the drinks, keep the food. No hunger. No effort. 6. Water helps you eat less. Replacing sugary drinks with water naturally decreases appetite and keeps you hydrated, perfect for weight control. Backhand index pointing right. Want more simple science-backed fat loss tricks? Hit subscribe for daily health and diet strategies that actually work.